there are data types of JavaScript, and one of the data type is undefined. Undefined means it has a variables, but it don't have any defined data. So also there is data types called null. The null is that there is no variables, and then it hasn't been defined. Let's say we have a product. The product is made of a package, and the product is there is a package, and there's a product inside the package. So undefined is like that. There is a package, but we didn't put the product inside the package, so there's only packages. But the null is that there's no package, or there's no product. So let's check on console. There are three variables a, b, c, and then a and b, c. A is a equal a plus 1, which means just like that, a plus 1. But and then the a hasn't been defined, and let's see that how it returns. The a returns not a number, because the a is undefined and 1 is a number. It's like that. Then how C looks like. How C looks like. It returns undefined plus string, because there is a string, and then the data looks like a undefined plus string, and a is because there was a number, so 1 is plus with undefined, so 1 there is also number 1, so but it didn't add any data, so it's another number. But if we define a data, we then it returns 6, and I'm a string. So we did define the data, then then the returns normal without undefined